Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FET has come down quite a bit also since the last update. It's now recovered a little bit, but this morning when I already posted on Discord and Telegram, I mentioned we really don't have enough structure yet to say what exactly this is or let's say how the subdivisions are unfolding. And highlighted, however, that I assume we are still in the A wave of this wave 2 correction. Yeah, I mean, assuming wave 1 topped up there, which I assume at the moment, unless it completely escalates now. But bear in mind that also B waves can overshoot. But I would argue that at least the B wave has started now, which, as you know, can overshoot. So for anybody who's new on the channel, the assumption is that we've had our 1-2 setup here for FET. A third wave might have topped here on the 20th of February, fourth wave pullback, and then this fifth wave to the upside in 5 choppy waves. And as I said, you know, this would complete wave 1 of a larger third wave. So obviously this wave 2 bottomed here on the 5th of February, yeah. And the third will be up there for our chart. Here, it's this third wave I'm talking about. Someone commented in my previous video and said other analysts assume we are already in the third wave. Well, I as well, because I actually see I need to change the wave degree. Let's just do that. Because we've formed that low, yeah, in August 2023. And this was a wave 2 low in my interpretation. And then we are basically in this larger degree third wave, but within this larger degree third wave, we've seen another wave 1 and another wave 2 as far as I can see it. And this smaller degree wave 2 bottomed in February this year. And we are now looking for another 1-2 setup potentially. And ideally wave 1 forms a top before it breaks above 130. Which it might have done indeed. Okay, so again, we're going to zoom in a minute again. But yeah, no, I assume as well that we are in a third wave in line with other analysts. I don't know who that was, but you know, that's the view as well, that this is a third wave. And it's more specifically, yeah, the idea is that this is actually a third wave of the larger third wave. Yeah. And please disregard targets because they are at the moment only placeholders. With altcoins, we have to take it level by level. I would say, let's see first of all if in any pullback now, the yellow support zone is holding, because this is the support zone that is relevant for trend continuation. We have micro support at 87.8 cents, 79 cents, 71 cents, and 61. Only a break below 61 cents would change my opinion about this chart and would indicate that something more bearish is going on. Against the 61 cent level, I would focus on higher. It seems likely that if this is a wave 2, we get a pullback into the support zone, but bear in mind that recent pullbacks on the FET chart or recent FET pullbacks have been extremely shallow. Also, this pullback was extremely shallow. That was in February, yeah. Now, what I'm thinking, I mean, I could be wrong about the assessment, you know, about the chart, right? It is possible, even though I think it counts better like this. But what makes me a little bit, you know, what keeps me thinking is this low on shallow wave 2, actually. So it's possible that this was a 1, this was a 2, all of this was 3, 4, 5. That here we produce a nice fifth wave and only afterwards we correct this and then we go up. That this year is not really or was not really the wave 2. The low in February, but we'll see. Okay, at the moment I have no reason to change my assumption. I would only do that if we get a break below 61 cents, because if all of this move to the most recent top was a 5-wave pattern, then we should get all of this move corrected. So that means I have to, when I measure my fib retracements for a wave 2, I have to measure the entire distance. But let's first see if the short-term wave 2 support area is holding. And at the moment it seems plausible that the rally we see right now is just a B wave. I would change my view if it's a 5-wave pattern to the upside. But as long as it's a 3-wave pattern, I assume that this rally that started today is actually the B wave before a C wave decline occurs, as I said, with support between 87.8 and 61 cents. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.